Hello guys, welcome to Trisha May's channel. We've got a challenge for her today. She's going to be eating a few different foods. She doesn't know what they are though, so she's going to be blindfolded and she's going to have to guess what they are. So this could go horribly wrong. I don't know, because she's listening in the other room. We've got a trick in store for her, so we'll see how it goes. But this is sort of what we've got so far. Have a look here. Okay, so let's look at what we've got for her. So we've got... We're not going to eat those lemons or bananas. Maybe I could give her a lemon, but no, we're not going to. And we're definitely not giving her chocolate truffles. No, we're not. We're going to give her some... What have we got here? Sprouts. Okay, raspberries, yeah, then they're fine. She'll like those. Goat's cheese. Let's see how that goes down. Chocolate brownies. Yeah, she'll like those. Oh, we've got some sushi. Yep, that'll be fine. No problem. What we've got here. What's this? Olives. If we give her a whole one of those, yeah, she's not going to enjoy that. Yeah, not even this one will eat those. She eats bloody anything. What, don't you? Here we've got some pickled onions, or onion, as she likes to call them up here in the north. And lastly, well, it's not lastly, but lastly that we've bought so far, beetroot. Yeah, I don't think she'll enjoy that, but this wouldn't be a challenge if there wasn't going to be a trick. So I think the last thing which she's going to eat, and this is where I don't know how it's going to go down, whether she's going to be amazingly pissed off and she won't upload the video, or if she will accept a joke. We've got some delicious, some dog treats. Can't say it too loudly because you might hear me. Yum yum yum. Let's get these bad boys. I know someone likes them. Oh yeah, she loves those. Good girl. Is your mother going to be a good girl also? Yum yum yum. Oh, good girl, Carla. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, that's it. So that's what we're going to be doing later. We'll see how it goes. Could all go horribly wrong for me. Let's see. See you soon. Okay guys, we're just preparing the food now to take into Trisha May, so it's going to be ready. Delicious, 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 delicious. Very delicious. For me, this one's, yeah, not so delicious, but she'll probably like it because she likes her crazy food. So let's see what we think of this. Let's get it out, squeeze it out onto the plate. Delicious, beautiful. We'll have to do that one with a knife and fork. She won't be able to eat all that in one go. Okay, so we're going to take it into. She's waiting patiently there. Where's your blindfold, Mahal?
I've got now.
So she's going to be blindfolded with a Samsung VR headset. This video is not sponsored by Samsung, but if Samsung want to sponsor us, they're more than welcome to. So we're going to bring the food out here, and she's going to see if she can work out what these things are.
So long.
Whoa, patience, patience. So here we are. So let's get this food ready. We've still got a few more bits and pieces, Mahal. Wait.
Yeah.
Well, no, we don't aim it. Well, it's not true. Half it.
And that's it! How many foods?
A few. Yeah, don't worry, we'll have a bit.
And it's
I'll give you a second.
Smell like a broccoli?
No broccoli, I'll tell you that.
No, it's spicy.
No, I should have got some chilling given that to you, but we didn't get any. Okay, so let's do our first bit of food. So we're going to do this one first. Let's see if you can
You can sit down.
work out. Yeah, don't worry about me. See if you can work out what this is. Okay, mouth open. Mess it up. Hmm?
Why it is like that, Chef?
See that? You like it?
Cheese!
Yeah. It's goat cheese.
Sarap?
You don't like it?
No.
Okay, let's try. Okay, you'll like this one. This one will be fine. See if you can work out what this one is. Don't drink too much. Okay, open mouth. Sit up.
Raspberry.
Raspberry. Billing. Okay.
1 point.
Okay, let's try this one. This is the one which we cooked before.
You cooked before?
Yeah, already cooked.
What?
It's not, it's just warm, it's not hot. On a fork. What's that?
It's it is again. There is small garbage.
A Brussels sprout.
Yeah.
Mess it up.
No. I have 2 points.
Yeah, 2 points. No, you have 2.5, because I'll give you half for the cheese. Okay. Sugar. Never mind. Need a drink?
No, it's fine.
You're fine? Okay, let's try. Okay, this one we have another ingredient. Yeah, this one will be fine for you. So we have a bit of this to put over it. What's wrong?
I just laugh.
Sugar, never mind. Okay, mouth open. Masarap?
Sarap.
Ano yun?
Like have rice and sushi.
Yeah, sushi.
So easy.
Okay, let's try. This one might be a bit. We're gonna get this one next.
How many food?
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 more.
4 more?
Yeah.
Sarap.
You like that?
No.
This one, I don't know. On a fork. Yeah. What's wrong? What was that?
Wait, I see. I feel it. Olive oil?
Just olive.
Olive?
Yeah.
I told you I don't like olive. Why you give it to me, olive?
I'm sorry. You take a drink.
I have 4 points.
Okay. This one's a nice one next. This I'll have one of these as well in a moment.
You ate before?
Yeah, you'll like this one.
You sure?
Yeah. Open mouth.
Oh, so good.
Masarap?
Cookies?
No.
Chocolates?
It's a chocolate brownie.
Chocolate brownie?
Yeah. It's okay, that one?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for... Next we're going to go for this one. I don't know how the reaction's going to be for this one. But we'll see what you think of it. I don't like this, but some people do.
Vegetable?
Yeah. Popular in Australia.
In Australia?
Yeah. So, yum, yum, yum. Mouth open.
Oh, it tastes like that?
You like it?
Corn?
No, it's not corn.
Potato?
No.
Carrots?
No.
One more time taste.
But do you like it?
It's a nice taste.
You really?
Uh-uh.
Wow, I thought I didn't think you'd like that. It looks disgusting.
It's a carrot, potato.
Should I tell you?
You know the red
Yeah. Beetroot.
beetroot?
Beetroot. Beetroot. Yeah, you can eat that later then if you like it. Lovely. No, don't put it in the fucking brownie. In the brownies. Yeah, leave it there. Okay, next up. So I've got a few more. We're going to go with this one. She might like this one. It'd be helpful if we had a cocktail stick, something like that. Okay.
A drink?
Nope. Yum, yum, yum. Put on a fork. Open your mouth.
Look, I keep.
Masarap.
What is it? Onion!
Yes!
Onion in the background?
Pickled onions.
Yoko.
Okay, still got this one to go.
So
Okay.
easy, so easy. You
Yeah,
give
this
it
one.
to me.
Open mouth. What?
It's a dog.
You guess, how did you know the taste? You've eaten it already? That's it, you've done it. That's the last one.
Because I taste it and then they smell it. No.
Go on, Trisha. Oh, well, the dogs like it. What did you think of the taste?
Oh, this one.
This one is okay?
Yeah.
Wow, I thought it was disgusting.
No, it's nice. This one's so disgusting, this one.
The goat cheese?
Yeah. You want to taste it?
No, I don't like cheese. What about the pickled onion?
No, I like fresh.
And you don't like the olives?
Yeah, I don't like.
Yeah, you don't like. Sushi is nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Raspberry's nice.
Yes, and
The Brussels sprout.
it's a Brussels. Call this?
Brussels sprout.
Oh,
You don't like it?
no,
The brownie?
it's delicious.
Yeah, I'll take one of those. So how many points did you get? So 1, 2. So you got the sprout, the onion. That's 2. We'll give you half for the beetroot because you knew what it was. 2.5. For the olives, you got 1. That's 4. That's 3.5. The cheese will give you another half. That's 4. 1 for the olives. That went for the sushi even. 5. Raspberry 6. And you guessed the dog food as well. You got 7 points. 7 points.
Yeah,
Well
I
done.
have 7. guys, hanggang dito na lang ang aming video. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming video. See you next vlog.